how to fix USPS informed delivery not showing mail. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is log into your USPS account, and then from there, of course, verify that your physical home address is correctly listed in here, right? So after making sure that, another thing that you need to do is check your daily summary settings under the informed delivery settings to confirm your email notifications are turned on, right? So like I said, you'll need to first of all get into your informed delivery settings. There you need to confirm your email notifications getting turned on, and then you can simply clear all of your browser cache and cookies, or you can try viewing your mail scans directly through the official USPS mobile application. If you own the application version, you'll be able to do that. And lastly, if the mail is still missing for more than 3 business days, then you can try to submit a request via your USPS support. And let's just get into your support. For that, you can get into the browser, tap on the menu bar on the top left, you can tap on help right here, and then from there you can actually tap on finding missing mails, and then from there you can actually solve all of the issue. You can try to contact them, and from contact us they can simply get the informed delivery option where you will be able to explain your exact problem. I'm pretty sure that they will be able to help you out.